Getting very close now to the 4th of July and of course all the fun that can come with it. And while we can almost see the fireworks and smell the grill, it is important to remind people about 4th of July safety. One Sioux Falls held a meeting with all of the emergency services today. Sam Schauer was in attendance and continues our story here tonight. Sam.
Hey Brian. The Sioux Falls Police, Fire Rescue, and Public Health Director were all at this meeting talking about safety. Now, they shared important procedures like designating a lighting spot and making sure children were away from it. But they also added other tips like covering up in the evening to prevent mosquito bites and to be aware of the dangers with alcohol over the water. It's all meant to have a safe and fun weekend. With the fireworks being lit, grills cooking hot dogs and burgers, and fun activities around the lakes, the 4th of July is nearly here. Before all those activities can get underway, the Sioux Falls Emergency Services wants to talk about safety over the holiday weekend. Sioux Falls Police reminds the community that small fireworks like sparklers, smoke bombs, and snaps are allowed in city limits, and if they aren't small, the fine is over $100.
So anything that moves, anything that makes noise along those lines would be considered an illegal firework in the city limits.
The Sioux Falls Fire Department says in the last 5 years during the Independence Week, they've put out 5 structure fires because of fireworks that are still hot. Instead, leave them be for a while and soak them in water when you're finished.
Just leave them be. They're going to be hot. We don't want anybody to touch them. At the end of the evening, make sure everything's cooled down, give that 20-30 minutes. Then we do ask that everybody make sure that they do clean up their areas. We don't want to be leaving garbage all over the street, all over the county roads.
If a firework did not go off, do not try and reignite it. They may explode faster than you expect.
Those can be sometimes the best case scenario that you're just losing a finger or whatnot, but there are occasionally all the way up to deaths from firework safety.
And while the services remind people to relax and have fun, don't be afraid to call 911 in any case of an emergency.
Whatever the circumstance is, however it happens, even if it's an accident, even if people are just messing around, getting people to 911 to get the emergency care they need as soon as possible, they're going to have a better outcome.
Sioux Falls Fire Rescue also reminds the community to not light older fireworks as the climate over time can impact the product. And they recommend to buy new fireworks for the best results.